In this video, I'll create a tabletop moss garden that even has a real flowing river running right through it. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'll start by using this acrylic bathroom and desk organizer tray alongside a 3-watt mini submersible water pump. I'll start by suctioning the water pump to the corner of our acrylic tray so that it stays secured in place. Now I'll take some garden weed fabric and wrap it around the pump. This will help to protect the pump from any floating bits in the water, as well as help to filter the water. Now I need to create a space for water to go after flowing down the river. This is Lika. These are super lightweight clay balls, which makes them a perfect candidate. However, as is, they're super dirty and will make the water really cloudy very fast. So before I use them, I'll need to thoroughly rinse them off. Now I can start pouring them into the tray. Now I'll spread it all out, making sure there are no high or low points. Now I can add some airline tubing to the pump, and then I'll cut it down to a shorter size. From here I can add another layer of weed fabric on top of our drainage. Now I'll start tracing out kind of where I want the river to flow using some rocks. I can just set this aside for later while I start building the riverbed. For this I'll be using a mixture of silicone and soil. Once I mix it all together, it will become a moldable consistency, and then once dry, it will become waterproof, which makes it perfect for our riverbed. After like 5 minutes of mixing and kneading, it finally started to come together. It kinda looks like a big piece of dung. Now I can start adding it in little strips at a time, slowly molding it into the shape of a riverbed. The best way that I can describe its consistency is kind of like Play-Doh that's gone slightly stale. Tough, but still moldable. Now all that's left to do is to let it air dry overnight. Just kidding, it ended up taking like 3 days to dry, which I did not expect. It was well worth the wait though, because now it's rock solid. I also just remembered that I had this really cool piece of driftwood that I think would look great at the base of our river. I think it would look pretty good, kind of like right here in the corner. Now I can fill the basin up with water before giving it a test run for the first time. I'm super happy that it works and that there are no leaks, but I'll have to turn it off for now while I work on planting. Yeah, so I'm out of moss, but that's fine, I'll just have to go get some more. Alright, I got a good variety of mosses, so now I think I'm good to start planting our little slice of nature. And there you have it, a desktop moss garden with a built-in river. I had a lot of fun with this one, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.